Hi beautiful people, it's me again Radhasai. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can install Elementor on your website, and I will also show you that how you can use Elementor on your WordPress website. So let me to share my screen and show you step by step. So I'm here on my WordPress dashboard, and simply here you will just scroll down a little bit. Here you will see the option it says under plugins. Just click on add a new, and here in the search area, here you can see the search option. Here we're going to search the Elementor. Okay, just search the name Elementor, and on the top here you will see Elementor website builder, and it has 4+ million activation. It's really amazing, and really this page builder is really amazing as compared to others. And I'm just click on to install now, and once it is installed, click on activate. Now everything inside the website is under your control without writing a single code, and you can do a lot of the things. You can design your own website, even though if you have already a website who a developer designed for you, then by yourself you can edit a lot of the stuff if your website is designed with Elementor. So let me show you. So we have click on activation, and then just click on to just leave this setup. Just click on this X icon, and boom. So now we have here the option of the Elementor. So we are not just going inside there. So suppose if you want to edit your website with Elementor, then you just have to go to all the pages here, and this website is already I have designed with Elementor. Let me show you first. Okay, so this is the e-commerce website, and if you want to learn how to build like this beautiful website so you can start your business, so I'm just going to give the link in this video. So you just have to watch this video to build like this beautiful website. If it has also the shop page, and someone just going to click on the shop and they can see like these product, but you will learn how to build a website step by step, and you can build your own website. And you can also learn that how you can edit all the stuff inside your website. So if I go again to the home page, because I want to show you that how you can use the Elementor. So I go back to again the dashboard, because we have learned that how we can install the Elementor. So we have already installed the Elementor, and now if I go to all the pages, because website is already designed with Elementor, so I'm going to show you that how you can edit. So if I will scroll down here, you can see there are so many pages here: the blog, the cart, the checkout. But here you will see the contact us, and after the contact us page, you will see this option Elementor. It means this page is designed built with Elementor. So we scroll down here, and this is the home, and you can see the page name, and here you can see Elementor. So it means this page is also designed with Elementor. So simply, if you want to change anything with homepage, just click on edit with Elementor, and now you have full control of your website. You can easily change whatever you want: the button, the color, the text, and so on. There's no limitation. Here we go. So on the left side you can see we have the Elementor widget area where we can add a lot of the stuff. Suppose I just want to add the more heading on the top, just drag and drop. Just I take this and drop here, and here you can write all the stuff whatever you want. Then you can style them as well. Okay, and if you want to change any stuff, On the top, you will see here is already written the welcome to the fashion inn. Just click on this pencil icon, and now you can write welcome to the fashion inn in 2014. Boom, and see. So this is how easily you can change. So once you make the changes, just click on update. And now if you're going to see the website, the changes, so just I'm going to open the website in another tab. So here we go. Now you can see welcome to the fashion in 2014. So this is how we can use Elementor to edit our website. And if we scroll down more here and I click on this pencil icon, you can change also this text also, and you have to click on update. And here on the top you have to click on this pencil icon, and then you can change the shop now or shop, or you can say here learn more. This is all the cool stuff you can do with Elementor, and then you can change also the link and then click on update. And then if we scroll down here, if I click on this pencil icon, then I can change the text, and likewise we just have to click on the pencil icon and then just click on update. But if you want to change any image or this video, like you have the video on your website, then if you cannot find the section how to change, where to click to change this, then you have to click on this navigator. Click over there, and now you will see this is headings, but we want to change something on the video. So you have to click on the top of the container, click there, and now this is the top one, this container. So we are on the top, and now we can make the changes to go inside the style. And here, if you want, you just can take off the video. Boom. And if you have the video, you can add the video again. And if I scroll down here, because here are so many other settings you can do by yourself. And here I have added the file background image, because when sometimes video is not playing just because of the internet or some reason, then people can see this beautiful image. And then once it's done, here is also the background overlay. Just click on update. And once you done everything with your website, from whatever you want to change, from here if you click on this 6 dots, go to the style, then you can change also the image. Once you done with the stuff you're going to change, then just click on this 3 slides on the top and click on exit. And now you will be exit from the Elementor, and you will see the changes you have made so far. So what we have done, we have changed the text on the home page, and we have removed the video. So if I visit the site, okay, so just let me to refresh this one, I think. Okay, so here we go. I think my network issue. So here we go. So finally, we can see our home page. So this is how we can install the WordPress. And if you have already a website built with the Elementor, then this is how you can change the stuff on your own WordPress website. So you can see this is the beautiful. We just removed the video, and on the background we had the beautiful image, and here is the welcome fashion we have written in 2014, and we change also the this button text. Okay, this is very short video, and if you want to learn how to build a complete website, then I'm going to give the link inside this video. Just check out and learn that how you can build your website within just 1 hour. And if you are planning to building a website, you need a hosting and domain. So I will recommend you to go with the HostGator. They are doing very amazing job. I have recorded a video with my experience, because since before I am building the videos here on the YouTube, I have told you that I am building the website for last 6 years on the Fiverr. So I have built hundreds of the website for my client. So I have a good experience to go with what hosting, and really hosting matters a lot. So I will recommend you go with the HostGator. They have very amazing plan, and I'm going to give you also a link inside this video, and not inside the video, I mean in the description. uh, uh, Purchase the hosting through my link. You will save 80% something discount. You will get the free domain, and I will get the commission. Really, this is not just about the commission. I am telling you to purchase the hosting with the HostGator, because there are so many other uh, hosting companies also provide of their program. But why do I recommend? Why I recommend give you the recommendation of the HostGator? Because their server, their optimization, like the website is going to be very fast, and Google can easily rank your website on the Google search engine. So you have whatever the business, the e-commerce business, or you have the small construction business, then easily your website can be appear or the visible to the Google, so people can reach out to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and share with your friends, and see you in another tutorial. Bye bye. Thank you. Take care.